In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter estimated tax payments in TurboTax. If you made quarterly estimated payments during the year, maybe because you're self-employed, have investment income, or your paycheck withholding wasn't enough, adding those payments correctly ensures TurboTax gives you full credit and helps you avoid underpayment penalties. Before we start, have your records handy. That could be IRS or state payment confirmations, bank statements, or receipts from online payment portals. You'll need the exact dollar amounts you paid and the dates those payments cleared. Remember, federal and state estimated payments are tracked separately, so keep them distinct in your notes. From your return, head to the Deductions and Credits area. Hover over the Deductions and Credits section in the main navigation, then open the Deductions and Credits summary. On that summary page, look for the category called Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. Select it to open the area where estimated payments are entered. Inside that category, find Estimated Tax Payments and choose Revisit. This brings up the entry screen for your quarterly estimates. Here, you'll see places to enter the first, second, third, and fourth quarter payments. For each quarter you actually paid, type the amount exactly as it was paid and enter the date the payment posted. If you didn't make a payment for a particular quarter, just leave it blank. A couple of helpful notes as you enter the details. Estimated tax due dates typically fall in April, June, September, and the following January. If you made your fourth quarter payment in January, enter that January date. It still counts for the correct tax year. If you paid more than once in a quarter, add up the amounts and enter the total with the date of the last payment, or use the additional entry options if available. If you accidentally paid a quarter late, still enter the real payment date. TurboTax will handle the timing and its penalty calculations. Double check that your entries are only for federal payments in the federal section. State and local estimated payments should be entered in their respective state area under the same estimates and other taxes paid category. Mixing them up is a common mistake and can throw off your results. Once everything looks right, continue through the prompts. TurboTax saves as you go, and you can always return to this screen to make edits. That's it. Your estimated payments are now reflected in your return, which helps ensure your refund or balance due is accurate.